Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this session we have if 2 powered by x is powered by 2 divided by 4 powered by x is equal to 16, then we'll have to find the value of x. So please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Now let's start and solving the questions. So here we can write 4 as 4, we can write 2 square, right? Because here base is 2, so we'll try to make all bases 2, and here we have 16, so 16 we can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2 will be 16, right? Now here we have 4 2's, so we can write it as 2 powered by 4, right? Now 4 and 16 will replace by 2 square and 2 powered by 4. Now look at here. So in the next step we can write it is 2 powered by x and it's having power 2, and divided by 4 we'll write 2 square and it's having power x, right? And in the right hand side it is 16. 16 will replace with 2 powered by 4. Now in the left hand side denominator it is in the form of a powered by m and whole to powered by n, right? It is in the form of bracket multiplication, so we can write this expression as a powered by mn. Here we multiply the powers. So now in the next step we can write numerator is same 2 powered by x and having power 2. In the denominator we can write it as 2 powered by 2x, so we write 2 powered by 2x, and in the right hand side we have 2 powered by 4. Now here we have made the numerator and denominator base values same. Now look at here, it is in the form of a powered by m divided by a powered by n. Here base is same 2 and 2, and here a and a, and we can write this as a powered by m minus n. Here we subtract the power. Similarly here a is 2, so we can write 2 and we'll subtract m. Here is x square, so it is x square, and n here is 2x, so we'll subtract 2x. In the right hand side we have 2 powered by 4. Now if you look at carefully the left hand and right hand side we have same base. So this expression it is in the form of a powered by m, that's equal to a powered by n. Here the base is same, so we equate the power, so we can write it as m is equal to n. Similarly here we'll write this expression as power in the left hand side it is x square minus 2x, that is equal to in the right hand side power is 4, so 4. Now we'll simplify this expression, so we'll take 4 in the left hand side, so we can write it as x square minus 2x and we'll subtract by 4. In the right hand side we have 4 and we'll subtract 4, so 4 and 4 will be cancelled. In the right hand side we have 0 only. So now in the left hand side it is x square minus 2x minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation, right? Now either we can factorize it or we'll apply some formula. Now here we'll make it in the form of a minus b whole square. It is a minus b whole square, and the formula of it is a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. So a will be x and b will be 1. So now look at here, we will make this expression as x square minus 2 times x multiplied by 1, right? So this expression will become minus 2x, and next we will have to write plus 1 square. So previous we have negative 4, so we'll have to make negative 4, so here it is 1, so we'll have to add negative 5 in it, so that we can get from here negative 4. So the value of this term becomes negative 4, and we have negative 4 previously. So here we have balanced the left hand side. In the right hand side we have 0. Now this expression we can write in the form of x minus 1 whole square. Now we can write this expression as x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square, and we have negative 5, that is equal to 0. Now for further solution it is in the form of a square and we have minus, and we'll try to make 5 as b square. Now look at here, 5 we can write it as square root 5 and its square, right? So likewise we'll write 5 as square root 5 and its square. Now look at here, it is in the form of x minus 1 whole square minus square root 5 and square, that is equal to 0. Now again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it is a square minus b square, and the formula of it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? Similarly here a is x minus 1 and b is square root 5. So we can write this expression as x minus 1 and we'll add square root 5 multiplied by x minus 1 negative square root 5, and that's equal to 0. Now here multiplication of two factors is 0. So we can write either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, or both the terms a and b is equal to 0. Similarly, we can write this expression is 0. X minus 1 plus square root 5 is equal to 0, or we can write x minus 1 minus square root 5 is equal to 0. Now from here the value of x1, one value of x will be positive 1 minus square root 5. Now the another value, that is x2 value, will be, both the terms will be positive in the right hand side, so we can write 1 plus square root 5. So here we have calculated two values, that is x1 and x2, and these are the answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video. Do not forget to comment on the video. Thank you for watching the video.